Hi guys, Donal here and a warm welcome back to the channel. We are now at 800,000 subscribers, so thank you for clicking subscribe. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to make sure that you get the notifications as soon as these recipe videos arrive. Now, today we need to talk about a one-pan sticky Asian meatball dish that is full of flavor. It leaves you with this unctuous sticky sauce, and of course, we're gonna get in there with lots of beautiful greens. This is one you are bound to make for your weeknight meals. So let's get cooking. We're gonna start off by making the sauce. So to a bowl, add in some corn flour, a little sriracha sauce for spice, a thumb-sized piece of ginger that's been minced, a sprinkle of white pepper, some minced garlic cloves, dark brown sugar, some rice wine, a splash of low-sodium soy sauce, and a little sesame oil. You're gonna whisk everything together and then set that aside. Now that we've got the sauce ready, it's time to talk about these meatballs. In a bowl, you're gonna add some pork mince, then add in some finely sliced spring onion, some 5-spice powder, minced garlic cloves, a little white pepper, and a splash of dark soy sauce. Mix it all together and then roll small pieces of the meat mix with your hands into meatballs and set it aside. When you've got all your meatballs rolled out, you're gonna add a splash of sunflower oil to a large pan on a medium-high heat. Fry off the meatballs until they're nicely browned on all sides. Now, it is important at this point that you take your time with this, because if you don't do this in batches and you put them all straight in the pan, they're gonna sweat and you won't get that gorgeous browning color that's gonna give you the base flavor to this gorgeous recipe, so take your time. Once the meatballs are all fried off, it's time to add in the sauce and continue to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. What you're looking for here is the liquid to have reduced and it starts becoming nice and sticky. Make sure to stir the pan regularly to coat the meatballs in all that glorious sauce. Now add in the bok choy, some spring onions and sugar snap peas and just gently toss that through. Now this next step is an important one because we want to cook out those veggies perfectly. So you're going to pop a lid over the top of this pan and you're going to cook it out for about 3 to 4 minutes, keeping your eye on things so that the veggies don't turn soggy. What you're looking for is those veggies to have a nice little bit of bite. And there you have it, a very simple one-pan dish that leaves you with sticky, sweet meatballs, gorgeously cooked veggies, and that can be served straight to the table just as it is, or you could serve it up with some rice. So there's plenty of options. Now, if you want the full recipe and all the details on the ingredients, I will leave a link in the box below, which will bring you over to my website where you'll get all the details. And of course, while you're over there, make sure you hit subscribe to our newsletter, which goes out every single week. It's jam-packed with lots of recipe inspiration, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and you will get all the details. Right, as usual guys, make sure you leave a comment in the box below letting me know if you're gonna make this gorgeous recipe. Hit the subscribe button and join 800,000 of you lovely cooking fans out there. And until then, my friends, enjoy, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.